Is your car insurance causing you a lot of trouble? Are you searching for ways to reduce them? Then you have come to the right place. Watch this whole video for more details about them. Welcome back to Finance Professor. In today's video, we'll see some of the ways to reduce your car insurance. So if you think this video works out, don't forget to thank us down in the comment section below. Watch the video until the end and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. At number 15, switch to pay-as-you-go insurance. If you drive safely and sparingly, you could be eligible for a usage-based insurance plan, sometimes known as black box insurance, like Allstate's DriveWise or State Farm's Drive Safe and Save. By enrolling in these programs, you give your insurance company permission to monitor your driving using a telemetric device that's put into your car in return for your potential discounts based on how much, when, and how well you drive. With this kind of program, you might be able to save money if you don't drive more than 10,000 miles annually. Number 14. Increase your deductible. Less of your premium will be due to the greater your deductible is. For instance, your accident and comprehensive coverage may cost 30% less if you increase the amount from $250 to $500. In addition, you might even save an extra 31% if you increase from $500 to $1,000. However, take care not to set your deductible too high. A vehicle insurance deductible is usually unavoidable, and you don't want to be forced to pay more out of pocket than you can manage in the event of an accident. On the other hand, the premium is cheaper the larger the deductible. Ask your agent how raising your deductible could impact your premium. It could lower your yearly premium by a few percentage points and give you some cash back. Raising the deductible might be an especially smart option if you're reluctant to submit minor claims because you don't want to run the risk of making your premium go up. Number 13. Reduce your coverage. By lowering coverage, you may reduce the cost of your auto insurance in two different ways. You can first reduce the policy restrictions. The alternative is to stop providing unneeded coverage kinds. For instance, you could think about reducing collision and comprehensive coverage if you drive an outdated automobile with little value. Make sure you're still abiding by the insurance rules of your state and any coverage requirements set out by your lender, or lesser if you decide to cut your coverage. Number 12. Use mass transit. The insurance provider will often begin the application process with a questionnaire. It may inquire things about your annual mileage on the insured vehicle, among other things. You'll typically pay more in the insurance rates than someone who just drives 1 mile per day if you use your car to commute 3 hours to work every day. Try to take public transport as often as you can to rack up less miles, but bear in mind that you will typically need to drastically reduce your mileage before receiving a discount. To avoid wasting your time, ask your insurance provider about the various mileage thresholds used by the organization. Number 11. Take a defensive driving course. If you successfully finish an approved defensive driving course, insurance companies may occasionally give you a discount. Drivers may also be able to lower their license's points total by enrolling in a defensive training, accident avoidance, or other course. Be sure to inquire about this discount before enrolling in the course with your agent or insurance provider. After all, it's crucial that the time and money invested into the course result in sizable insurance savings. It's crucial that the driver enrolls in an approved course, and every state has its own regulations for approved defensive driving classes. Geico's website makes it possible to examine what they are by state. Number 10. Downsize your vehicle. It may sound thrilling to purchase a massive SUV, but insurance for £5,000 top-of-the-line automobile might be more expensive than insurance for a little but secure, less expensive commuter car. You may be eligible for a discount from some insurers if you purchase a hybrid or alternative fuel car. For instance, Farmers provide a 5% discount. You may save money on insurance while also feeling good about preserving the environment. Before making a purchase though, find out about the precise insurance costs for the various automobiles that you're thinking about. Number 9. Improve your credit. Insurers in most jurisdictions include credit information when determining your premium since it's linked to your propensity to make an insurance claim. According to WalletHub's data, drivers with poor credit typically pay 67% more for auto insurance than those with outstanding credit. You'll ultimately start to see a decrease in your insurance prices as a result of progressively establishing and enhancing your credit. WalletHub provides free credit scores, reports, and personalized credit improvement recommendations to assist you in achieving this. Number 8. Get discounts for installing anti-theft devices. Installing anti-theft devices can help people get their annual rates cheaper. For instance, Geico provides a potential savings of 25% if your vehicle has an anti-theft system. you should be able to find out from your insurance provider exactly which gadgets can cut premiums when fitted. You might want to ask about the load jacks and car alarms, two different kinds of gadgets. Number 7. Move to another city or state. Although your location has a big impact on your insurance premiums, you generally won't relocate to merely save money. You have a lesser chance of getting into crashes with injury, theft, or accidents in areas with fewer automobiles and fewer crimes. Furthermore, you're more likely to submit a claim at some point if you reside in a region that is particularly vulnerable to a certain type of natural catastrophe. Number 6. Pay attention on the road. Although it ought to go without saying, given the prevalence of in-car distractions nowadays, it's important to reiterate as often as possible. The more accidents or moving offenses that you can prevent, events that increase your insurance rates, the more alert you are. Depending on your driving history, travelers provide safe driver discounts of between 10 and 23%. Number 5. Reduce your mileage. Consider taking public transit, biking locally, or carpooling to work because insurers include in your yearly miles when determining your rate. As an alternative, some insurance providers provide usage-based insurance that's electronically monitored and dependent on your driving style. With some programs, you can receive significant savings. For instance, State Farm claims that participants in its program who log very few miles might save as much as 50% on insurance. Number 4. Shop around for better car insurance rates. Keep in mind that choosing the less expensive option isn't always the best choice, and that cheap does not necessarily equate to quality. This is mainly due to the fact that the insurer's creditworthiness should be taken into account. After all, if the corporation lacks the resources to pay an insurance claim, what use is a policy? Consider looking at a website that assesses the financial stability of the insurance firms to perform research on a certain insurer. Make sure you comprehend the terms of your contract. The financial stability of your insurance provider is crucial, but so is knowing what it covers. Number 3. Consider location when estimating car insurance rates. You probably won't relocate only because another state offers cheaper auto insurance. However, while organizing a relocation, you should account for the probable change in your auto insurance cost in your spending plan. Number 2. Take advantage of multi-car discounts. A single car insurance estimate from an auto insurance provider could be more expensive per vehicle than a price for multiple drivers or vehicles from the same provider. For your business, insurance firms will provide what amounts to a bulk rate. When you promise to bring in more of it, they could be prepared to give you a bargain. In addition, if you can keep the other policies with the company, like house insurance, some firms could offer you a discount on your vehicle insurance. If discounts like this are offered, look into them. For instance, Allstate gives a 10% vehicle insurance discount and a 25% house insurance discount when you combine the two. And number 1. Research additional discounts. Numerous discounts are offered by insurers. Search for savings like these. Offers to let you pay the whole payment for a year or 6 months at once, one consent to receive bills and paperwork electronically, memberships in certain clubs or associations that provide discounts. Don't let a big list of potential savings fool you though. Compare the normal and discount rates offered by various insurers. But with that, we have come to the end of this episode. If you've enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.